Pressure's on now. Tell you a joke instead, if you like. I'll do this, you do the joke. Okay. Well, apparently neither do I. Never in doubt. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time now for the bit you've been waiting for. The bit where I could die. As I said at the start of the show, I used to get strong men to hold this, but now, because of reasons, I don't do that anymore. I get on this thing on my own. Now, it's quite a big step. Some of you might be wondering how I can do this, with it being, with it being such a big step. I say some of you might be wondering. I'm so glad you asked. Over there where it's flat. It makes it a bit easier because it's nice and flat. Yeah, what were you expecting? I'm not that stupid. Oh, God. I'm nearly on. Oh, God. Ooh. Actually, I've changed my mind. You can go now. I've finished. Oh, obviously not. Oh. Oh. Oh, that hurts. Now the bit I hate, pushing off the pillar. Oh. I can only go forwards. I know that. Whoa. I tell you what, it's really hard on these cobbles, and it kills your chest. Two wheels! Two wheels! Two wheels! You'll never get an audience going at that speed! The finale of the show, ladies and gentlemen. And mate, actually, now leave the hat on. You look cool with a hat on. What's your name? What is it? Timothy. Timothy, thank you for coming to help. You seem a little bit nervous. Are you nervous? There's no need to be nervous, because see all these people here? They're lovely. Yeah? Yeah. And Timothy, you can do no wrong. Okay? If anything goes wrong, my fault, okay? You're the volunteer. Timothy, whereabouts are you from? From New Zealand. Exotic. And how old are you, Timothy? 4 years old. 4. They'll never know. 4 sounds better. Timothy, don't worry about it. Timothy, can you stand in the middle for me and face the front? That's that way. Face that way. When I say your name, Timothy, take a big bow. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to make him feel welcome because he's very nervous. He really is. He's come all the way from New Zealand. He's only 4 and 8 quarters. Please put your hands together for the one, the only, Timothy! Oh, number 2. The last one. Now, Timothy, you've done an amazing job so far, and if you get the last one right, I am going to give you a prize. But if you get it wrong, you get nothing. It's the English way. Timothy, 1 step back. 1 step back. Timothy, pressure's on. This is for the prize. Club number 3. Oh, what a shame. No prize. No prize. You get involved now, don't you? Timothy, try it again. Of course you're going to get the prize.